Good morning, sports card investors, collectors, dealers. My name is Dale Calvert. If this is your first time here, I've been making content on YouTube since the beginning of YouTube for people that want to create a side gig income, entrepreneurs. That's kind of been my market. Over the last couple of years, my wife and I have really focused in our retirement years on sports cards and building a sports card business. And we've been making content on YouTube for sports card collectors, investors, dealers the last couple of years. What I'm getting ready to share with you, I just found out from a business associate that I've been working with for about 5 or 6 years. I just found out about this yesterday. Uh, and I just wanted to make this quick video just to get the word out, let you guys know. If you want to apply, great. If you don't, no problem. My wife and I applied this morning individually, and our LLCs and also our corporations. Any business entity is eligible for this, as well as you as an individual. So what the heck are we talking about? Free government money for sports cards. Well, really, the the government owes you money. Mr. Wonderful, the Wonder Trust Fund, is sponsoring this program, and you can use it for sports cards or anything else that you want. So what am I talking about? The first thing you want to do is you can go right here to this link. I'll put it in the description of this video, and it'll explain the program to you. You can apply in about 5 minutes, and you'll know if. And the reason I wanted to get this out real quickly is because this ends very soon, very soon. So the first thing you want to do is go to this link again. That I'll put the link in the description. But if we just go there now, you'll see Mr. Wonderful. This comes up. And again, it explains the program, what's going on. It is sponsored by Wonder Trust. Here's the bottom line from Kevin O'Leary. If the government owes you money, you should get it back. It's that simple. Wonder Trust exists to make sure entrepreneurs, business owners, and self-employed Americans don't leave their hard-earned dollars on the table. And this will explain the program, what's going on. Again, it ends very soon. You've only got uh, uh, a little while here to apply, but it was real simple. You just click on check my eligibility, and it'll take you to this. We fill this out, upload a couple of documents, about 5 minutes for each business entity and individually, and you're done. And then you'll know if you have money available to you, how much it is, and so on and so forth. You can get the details. Again, I know enough about this to be dangerous, so I'm not going to try to get into all the details. You can do it for yourself. If it makes sense for you, great. If it doesn't, no problem. But I did want to get the word out to those in the sports card niche, because again, this is a very time sensitive offer. So I think it was worth my time. I think it'll be worth your time. I think it'll be worth everybody you know's time. Because again, if you have money coming to you, you don't want to leave it on the table. There's the link for you. Uh, Let me know how you do with it. Hope everything works out well for you. Just wanted to get this out, and appreciate you being here. Appreciate it. And you can thank me later if it works out for us. And I'll talk to you real soon. Have a great one. Thanks.